Hello mga motorista and welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For this episode, titignan natin and i-compare natin ang ating latest model, next generation Ford Ranger Raptor. I-compare natin yan sa ating top of the line as well na Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So tignan natin kung gaano ba talaga ka-different and is it worth the price hike? Kung titignan natin yung price nila and the spec features that you get in comparison to this Ranger Raptor. So kung interested kayo malaman lahat ng yan, yung comparison natin today, samahan nyo ako, simulan na natin yung video natin. Let's go! So let's start with the Ford Ranger Raptor mga motorista. Simulan natin sa kanyang looks. Kung si Ford Ranger Raptor is bulky, yung ating Ford Ranger naman na 4x4 Wildtrak is slender looking. So if you take a look at both of these vehicles, you can definitely see how big is the Ford Ranger Raptor. Now for the headlights, they are basically the same. So they have matrix LED, they are adaptive. Kung ano yung turn ng steering wheel mo, parehas lang sila, they will also turn. The Raptor differs, aside from these bulging fenders niya, is at the bottom, you can see that it is a split type bumper design. So kung makikita nyo siya on the side, meron siyang line right across, and then you have your LED fog lights. Now for this generation Raptor, they gave everything in terms of sensors and radar sensors as well. They have 6 sensors dito sa harap, and then kita nyo din na meron siyang front camera. Okay? And you have that big FORD logo. It is very menacing and super aggressive yung kanyang forma. At the bottom, meron tayong mga recovery hooks, and then you have your bash plate. Now, this is solid mga motorista. Hindi siya nagbabudge, hindi siya nag-flex. It's really good. And if you take a look at this swing arm, this is aluminum swing arm. So, ibig sabihin yan, it is strong and light, as well as the new suspension instead of the blue. Now we get the orange Fox shocks with internal bypass. Pati yung ating suspension dito sa taas, it is already aluminum as well, to save weight. So ito naman yung ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak. This is also a top spec model. So as you can see, it's a more of the urban pickup truck. Hindi siya sobrang lapad. Sakto lang talaga. Basically, it's the same one as all the lineup, but this is the top spec model. So makikita mo yung mga differences natin, it's quite premium yung harapan niya. So if comparing it side by side with the Ranger, you can definitely see na although same yung headlight natin, yung ating signal lights, all LED yan, wala tayong FORD logo. You just have this simple gloss black finish sa kanyang grille. And then parang meron siyang H-type design din sa ilalim na part. Tinanggal na nila yung active park assist, nilagay nila sa Raptor. So if you want active park assist, you cannot see it here sa ating Ford Ranger Wildtrak. But meron pa din tayong recovery hooks dito sa ilalim. Yan, kita nyo? Pero yan, kita nyo dito sa ilalim, wala na siyang bash plate. This is just plastic material. And the sensors dito as 4 lang. Meron pa din tayong camera with washer, just like the Ranger Raptor. But I think that the Ranger Raptor is a lot better when it comes to the front end. Wider yung kanyang bumper design. And then it's a lot taller din, every time that I keep going back and forth with these two vehicles, kita mo talaga na the height difference is quite big, from these two vehicles. So another thing to point out is that different din yung design dito sa lower part ng bumper. LED fog lights, parehas silang dalawa. Again, you have the standard suspensions. This is steel, hindi siya special na aluminum na swing arm. And also for the tires of this Ranger Wildtrak is 18-inch rims, 255 by 65. And then yung ating rims is very simple. It's all gray color mga motorista, And yung ating tires is Goodyear Wrangler, It's highway bias tire. So it's really good at the highway, especially when you're road tripping. Hindi siya maingay. Very comfortable tire. Side is meron tayong plastic cladding here. Now going back to the Raptor, you can obviously see na it has this parang bulging fenders. Although yung ating cab itself is kind of similar, or it's not the same lang siya, pero you have this bulging part right here. Of course, the suspension is a lot wider. So, ayan, kita nyo naman, meron pa tayong fender extensions dito. And if you take a look at the tires, these tires are off-road bias, no? So these are BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. So I think this is a 50-50 road and off-road tire. 285 by 70 R17. So lower yung, mas maliit yung rim, pero mas malapad naman and mas mataas yung ating tire. So perfect to pang off-road talaga. For the braking system naman, I think both of them are the same. Seeing it side by side. Instead of a standard plastic step board, this is steel step board. So it protrudes quite a bit, no? It matches the width of the extension. So medyo malapad siya. May couple of times na parang matatamaan mo yung knees mo dito and masakit siya. Another thing for the Raptors, meron tayong mga plastic bits here. And here, I don't think these are functional. No? Side mirrors, the same lang siya sa Ranger natin na Wildtrak. So you have your cameras here, you have LED turn signal repeaters, and also smart entry, engine push to start. Dito naman sa likuran na part, disc brake din siya. So ito yung mounting points natin for our rear suspension. Again, Fox suspension to. And the rear suspension is different. This is the rear suspension of the Raptor. As you can see, multi-link setup. It has Watts linkage, beefed up yung kanyang rear axle, no? So here's the brakes of the Ranger Wildtrak 4x4. Definitely looks like the same one as the Ford Ranger Raptor, no? So not different there. So meron din tayong plastic part here. I'm not so sure if this is also functional, pero wala tayo dun sa hood na part. So for the Wildtrak version, it is different color sa body. Dun sa ating Raptor, parehas lang sila ng color. So, turn signal repeaters, you have still your, your 360 camera. And then, meron tayong roof rail. Sa Raptor, walang roof rail. If you want roof rail, add-on na yan, no? Tingnan nyo dun. Wala siyang roof rail. And then, yung stepboard natin is substantially smaller and more stylish. It's not as heavy duty. This is more of that plastic material, and then meron siyang silver finish. Kita nyo din yung difference, no, when it comes to the chassis, because yung mounting points na ating shock dito is at the back part. Dun sa Raptor, andito siya nakalagay, no? So you already seen that. And then also for the disc brakes dito sa likuran, I think this is basically the same. Yung wala sa Raptor na meron si Ranger Wildtrak is of course this sports bar here, and meron pa tayong mga design elements dito, and you have this. So, pwede mong akyatin yung bed using this step board dito. Si Raptor, tinanggal nila, wala siyang step board, as you'll see later. Yung ating taillights part is basically same lang sila sa Raptor. Meron tayong blind spot radar din for both. And then dito, you have a different step board from the Raptor. And wala siyang mga recovery hooks na malalaki. Okay, so meron tayo siguro here. And then, you can see the suspension. Different. This is a leaf spring suspension, more of that standard pickup truck na for carrying cargo. And then pati yung ating rear axle is different, no, than the Raptor. So meron tayong nakikita mga bolts dyan dun sa Raptor is wala. Yung tailgate natin, similar lang sila. You have 4x4 badge, Wildtrak na badge. Meron pa tayong reverse camera as well. So 4 lang yung sensors sa ating Ranger Wildtrak. Dito naman sa ating Raptor, immediately different siya. Okay, so ayan, wala na tayong step board here. And then same lang din to. Ayan, meron siyang blind spot radar. Different din yung shape ng ating step board dito sa likod, o yung lower bumper natin. And then meron tayong bar dito, no, for recovery purposes kung i-off-road mo to ng hardcore. And then yan, that's the rear suspension with Watts linkage. Yung Ford logo natin is blacked out. You have your Raptor badge here. No 4x4 badge, and you have your stamp Ranger just like the Ranger Wildtrak. Meron pa din tayong tailgate assist. Unfortunately, it's locked. Yan, yung bed natin. And then meron tayong 12-volt outlet and household outlet dito sa likuran na part. Meron pa din tayong mga slots here and here. For the Wildtrak naman, same lang sila ng bed. Meron pa din tayong outlet, same lang talaga sila. Okay? So nothing different there. Now let's take a look at the engines. Let's compare both of them. See if there's anything different sa kanilang mga makina. Buksan natin yung Ranger Wildtrak natin. Okay mga motorista, no? So we have here the engine bay sa ating Ranger Wildtrak na top of the line 4x4. And this is a 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine. This is the latest model sa kanilang bi-turbo setup na 2-liter. And of course, makes up good power at 210 PS and 500 Newton meters of torque. Okay, so nothing different sa Ranger Raptor, no? So we'll see it later. So what you have here is the engine, and you have lots of space at the front. You have your battery here. Kita nyo naman yung ating fuse box. Ito yung intake natin. Yung ating turbo system is andito siya. So dalawang turbo yan, one at the top, one at the bottom. Yung ating coolant reservoir andito siya. Ito yung ating computer box, I think. And then ito yung ating intake system. So dito mo papalitan yung ating air filter. One thing that the Raptor has that the Wildtrak does not have is meron tayong mga aux switches. So I think aux switches, meron ka makikita mga outlets dito na may cover, and you just have to tap on that to have auxiliary switches na for the Raptor. So meron tayong cover dito para hindi siya masyadong maingay. Right, let's go to the Raptor, no? So unfortunately, mga motorista, yung gray na Raptor is walang susi doon. So let's use the white Ranger Raptor. So this is the white Ranger Raptor, no? So what you can see here is the same thing that's on the Wildtrak. So nothing different there. Meron tayong mga abang para sa kanyang aux switches, no? You'll see later dun sa inside, but same engine, same power. Again, nothing different, no? And in my opinion, I think this will be slower than the Ranger Wildtrak, mainly because it has big tires, and we all know that big tires, no, can affect the performance of a vehicle. And also, this is quite wider, more body work. So from a standstill to 100 siguro, I think the Ford Ranger Wildtrak will win because it's more slender and more road biased than the Raptor. Pero off-road wise, you can go fast in the Raptor, walang problema. Both of these vehicles also gets 10-speed automatic transmission, but there is a difference, and we'll see later once we're inside both vehicles. So tara, wag na natin patagalin, pasok tayo sa loob. Right, so we are inside the Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Let me show you the things that I see here. Obviously, yung steering wheel natin, mayroon siyang leather material here. It's not that leather material na parang leather talaga. I think this is more of the synthetic leather material. So, kita nyo naman yung stitching natin. It is the orange color. And this is gloss dito no, sa ilalim na part. And then, yung controls natin. One thing that I really notice here is the screen. This is a 8-inch screen. You have permanent indicators for your fuel, and then yung engine temperature gauge. So it is not a full screen display. Kita na naman meron tayong speedometer, odometer, and then yung outside air temperature natin. You have your media, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless capable yan lahat. Meron tayong rubber material dito. Pwede mo ilagay yung phone mo. And then meron tayong glove compartment, hindi siya lockable. Same lang yung ating armrest from the Ranger Raptor. It is orange stitch lang dito. And one thing that I do notice is tatlo lang yung option natin. Mamaya makita nyo kano siya ka-different sa Raptor. So 2H, 4H, and 4L. And then you have your electronic parking brake with auto hold. Yung auto hold andun sa screen. You have park, reverse, neutral, and drive, and manual mode. Ganito yung pag-change ng gears if you want manual mode, no? So you have plus and minus. Walang paddle shifter si Wildtrak. Dito sa taas, walang switches or aux switches, just a standard upper part ng ating dash. So this is more of your LED na dome lights. So you have basically the same vanity mirror setup din. Okay, walang mga ilaw mga motorista, and then interior as well is all black, no, for this Ranger Wildtrak. Drive mode selector. So ito yung mga drive modes natin. Normal, Next Gen Eco, Tow Haul, Slippery, Mud and Ruts, and Sand mode. Yun lang. So automatic din, mag-shift siya. Depende kung mag-ano ka, mag-off-road ka ba. And meron tong rear locking differential, itong Wildtrak natin. So default niya is 2H. Meron na yung cup holders here, wireless charger. yan, meron tayong 12 volt outlet dun sa ilalim na port. So ito yung likuran ng Wildtrak natin. Meron tayong aircon vents and USB Type-C, Type-A, and then household outlet dito. 230 volts, 400 watt. And then armrest is standard as well. Meron tayong mga grab handles here. Airbag count is around 6 airbags dito sa cabin. I'm not so sure if meron tong knee airbag. I don't think so. Walang nakalagay kasi. This is only available for the 4x4. Kung 4x2 na Wildtrak, fortunately, wala pa din tayong rear air vents. So let's move on to the Ford Ranger Raptor. Tara! And just like that, mga motorista, we are inside the Ford Ranger Raptor, no? The interior itself and the dash itself, basically, it's still a Ranger. Kita nyo naman sa design dito na parehas lang talaga sila. But the materials are quite different from the normal Wildtrak. So, tignan natin dito sa ating doors. This is more of the soft cloth material. It is color black yung kanyang stitching instead of the orange stitching. I think this is still a different one from the Wildtrak as well. You have leather armrest. Definitely, wala siyang orange stitching but same sila ng material. So, dito naman sa ating mga controls, definitely the same. Lock and unlock buttons natin. What is different though is yung framing dito sa ating mga air vents. Meron siyang gloss black and then it is orange dito. Kahit anong color kukunin nyo, parehas lang talaga. Ganito talaga yung color ng vents natin. Also here at the front part, no, this is more of that cloth na soft touch material. And then you have your stitching dito. Sa ating Wildtrak, kita nyo naman na leather yon. Pati yung steering wheel natin is quite different. Yung steering wheel na to is more contoured. Meron pa siyang mga dots here, no? So it's quite special yung steering wheel na to. And slightly different yung shape niya from the regular Ranger. Buttons, definitely parehas lang sila. Another addition for this steering wheel is your paddle shifters. And meron tayong strip dito for the position indication. And then, yan, Ranger Raptor badging dito sa ilalim, which you don't find on the Wildtrak. Gloss black yung Wildtrak natin. And then, yung design dito is, siya is palabas yung design. Yung, ano natin, yung Ranger natin is parang paloob siya. Okay? Switch gear, parehas lang. Dito sa side, parehas lang. One big difference again is this screen. This is a full screen display instead of a full screen display dun sa ating Wildtrak, no? Yung Wildtrak natin, again, 8-inch, ito 12-inch. So definitely more features that you can cram into this display. Is a standard view. Tingnan natin. I think na-set up to sa ganitong view, but mas maraming makikita mo dito sa screen na to in comparison to the Ranger Wildtrak. Okay? So yung mga steering wheel nilang dalawa, nothing different. Both of them gets tilt steering and the telescope. Also, for the center part ng ating screen, this is a 12-inch display pa rin. Exactly the same one that you get. Yung cameras natin, this is the 360-degree camera. Basically the same. Di ko na ipapakita sa Wildtrak kasi parehas lang sila. But again, the addition here is active park assist. Yung Wildtrak natin is ano lang yun, reverse sensors lang. And then, yeah, same lang din to sa Wildtrak sigurado. Yung mga views natin, you can change it to whatever you like. Lots of options. Dito sa lalim na part, definitely carry over lang to. One thing that's different here is dito na part, no, meron tayong leather material dito. Again, wireless charger, USB Type-C, Type-A. And then dito sa side na part, this is more of the, again, cloth material. Different din yung texturing dito, para siyang golf ball. And then lockable na yung ating glove compartment, which is the Wildtrak, hindi yung lockable, kita nyo naman. Another thing is that the only Ranger that has electronic shifter. So e-shifter tawag ni Ford dito. That has built-in safety features. So meron tayong manual button here, and yung ating lock is ito nasa harapan na part. Okay? So mas maliliit yung mga ratios, no, ng gates dito sa ating e-shifter. Because basically, hindi siya connected directly sa ating transmission via cable. Dito naman, you have your electronic parking brake with auto hold dun sa screen. Dito naman sa side, same lang to, but instead of the Wildtrak icon parking sensors lang ito, when you press this one, it has park assist. You can see traction control and then itong mga modes natin. So, once you press this button, kita nyo na you can lock the rear differential, trail control. Yan, meron siyang trail control. I'm not so sure kung meron yan sa Ranger Wildtrak definitely, same lang to sa Wildtrak, but it has 4A. So, basically, yung Wildtrak natin is part-time 4-wheel drive. And also, the drive modes for this Raptor is a lot more, no? So, meron tayong normal, sport. Yan, meron pang animation. So, pag sport, auto shift sa 4A. And then, slippery. Okay, 4A pa din. And then, mud and ruts. Now, it's 4 high. And then, sand mode. 4 high siya. Baja mode. This is the full power niya. And then, for off-road use only nakalagay. And then you have lastly rock roll, which is a new setting, okay, for the drive modes. So balik natin sa normal mode. So dito sa taas naman mga motorista, aux switches meron tayo sa Raptor. Ayan. So merong instructions ata dito na you can basically tap one of the wires dun sa labas and then you can directly turn it on using the switches. Very handy off-road. And then you have your sunglass holder. Slightly different yung kanyang shape dito, but same lang LED dome lights, no? Yan, same lang din. Auto dimming rear view mirror pa din siya. The seats are also different, no? Specialty seats to ni Ford Raptor or Ranger Raptor. So it's kind of a nice contoured seat. Mas aggressive yung bolsters natin. It is really nice. So, mixture of synthetic leather, and at the back naman, parehas lang sila, but again, the seats are different for the Raptor. Meron pa din tayong rear air vents. So, I'm not going to the back because definitely same lang sila ng features sa Wildtrak natin. The seats dito sa ating Ranger Raptor though, instead of manual seats na from the Wildtrak, this has 10-way adjustable. So, kung 10-way si driver, 10-way din to. So, adjustability is really good. So that's about it dito sa interior ng ating Ranger Raptor. No? You're paying for the cost of this really nice steering wheel, this paddle shifter, this e-shifter, no? Upgrade yan. And then ito din yung ating permanent 4-wheel drive, upgrade yan. Ito yung ating active park assist, another add-on. This is an upgrade. Pati yung seats upgrade. And the bodywork and the shock and suspension, that's all an upgrade from the standard Wildtrak. Na side by side ko na si Ford Ranger Raptor and Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Definitely, if you want a more comfortable pickup truck, definitely get the Raptor because of its softer suspension setup. A big advantage if you want comfortability. Si Ranger naman, because slip spring suspension lang siya, no, it's kind of stiff sa likuran na part. Hindi siya ganun ka-bulky and yung parang kinukuha yung attention mo on the road. Yan yung isa sa advantage ni Raptor. It's a head turner talaga siya. Engine wise, parehas lang sila, nothing different there. So, yung pricing ng dalawang to, 2,339,000 for the Raptor, and for this Ranger Wildtrak dito sa side, it is around 1.9 something million. So, ilalagay ko yung exact price ng dalawa. So, what do you think, no? If ikaw papipiliin 1.9 and 1.339 for the Raptor, would you immediately go to the Raptor, or mas gusto mo tong Wildtrak and save your money for different things na lang? So, nasa sa inyo na yun mga motorista, no? Kung ano yung decision ninyo. So this is our comparison today. If you do like this video, I hope you hit the like button, subscribe, click that notification mga motorista for more videos in this channel. Once again, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.